lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time, I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay, I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl. You been so patient. We started off in the basement. Now we up out of space again. #1 is the place we in. It's a meal at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend. If you do, don't cry, we been now, so let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah, we just fine. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Okay, y'all. They say when you look good, you feel good, y'all. And I'm feeling the hell good. I mean, this wig. Yo. Y'all can't tell me I don't live in Calabasas. Like, girl, what you say? All right, y'all. So today's video is sponsored by Beauty Forever Hair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site. And she's a beauty. First, I'm going to give you guys the details of this wig, and then I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into the pros and the cons. So is y'all ready? All right. The wig that I am wearing is their 13x4 lace front. It is the Brazilian Highlight Straight Wig. I have this wig in 150% density in 20 inches. The starting price for this unit is $70.44, y'all. And the price for my unit is $161.52. Just remember, you determine if the price is right for you. I'm just here to lay and slay these wigs, honey, and give you my review. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys the cons first. Honestly, I don't have any cons. The only con I can say is the wig is way too big for your girl. The ear tabs are coming well over my ears. Like, this wig is swallowing my head. But I just have to go in and cut lace out around the ear so that it can fit to my liking. Even though the wig is too big for your girl, it is not stopping this slayage, honey. Okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys the pros. The first pro to this wig, I would have to say, is the hair. The hair is so beautiful. The color is popping. I am really digging these face framing highlights, y'all. I'm getting my Beyonce on. Just call me Shanise. Yes. Okay, that's my alter ego. Got me looking so crazy right now. Yes, I woke up like this. Not really, but it sounded good. I did go in and shampoo and deep condition this hair. I did receive some tangling, but after I deep conditioned the hair and brushed it out, it was good to go. I also did receive some shedding while shampooing and deep conditioning the hair, and also after I cut the lace, but it wasn't drastic. Now I can run my hands through the wig and I'm not receiving any shedding. So the hair is really soft. It's really beautiful. As you saw, I did go in and style this wig by curling it and then pin curling the curls. And the curls sat for 2 days before I recorded the video, and they're still holding up. They're still so beautiful and bouncy and soft. Like, shawty wanna ride with me, we can get a low A. Pull up to the door. I don't even know if that's the words. I made that up. Don't pay that on mine. But I'm really loving this hair. It is so beautiful, so soft. I thought because of the blonde streaks that the hair was going to shed a lot, and I thought it was going to be hard. But no, y'all. It is popping, okay? You do what you want when you popping. But these face framing highlights got me feeling rich. Like, what? Wendell, no! I'm busy, darling. Wendell always trying to get camera time. I told his tail to go downstairs and mop the floor. Like, he is always bothering me. Another pro to this wig, I would have to say, is the lace. I commend Beauty Forever Hair for this remarkable lace. Y'all, I did not have to use my Sally Hansen Deep Glow Spray, and I did not apply any makeup underneath the lace inside the wig. I did apply some pressed powder to the hairline after I did my makeup. But you guys saw after I cut off the lace, the lace blended in so well without no makeup. With the lace being so easy to blend, I think this unit is beginner friendly. I did not have to do a whole lot of nothing to this wig. I just laid it down, curled it, and voila, magic. Like, I'm looking and feeling like $1 million. If he makes you feel like $1 million bill, say it. Oh, say it. You do get 13x4 parting space. That's more than enough room to have a left part, a middle part, or a right part. I chose to do a middle part because I wanted the highlights to fit my face. I think this look is so pretty, and I've always wanted a face frame and highlighted wig that was human hair. And look, dreams do come true. We're your dream girls. Boy, we'll make you happy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That had nothing to do with me wanting a face frame and highlight wig, but whatever. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up today's video because it's not a whole lot for me to say. The wig is basically speaking for itself. It is so beautiful, okay? You're beautiful. Once again, I would like to send a big thank you to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Sunrise, we just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation.